Hello everyone, welcome to Inkscape tutorial, and in this first part I'm going to introduce you to this software called Inkscape. Inkscape is a software that we can use to draw with our computer like this. And if you have the software on your computer, just find this icon and then double click it to open it. And then you will see the interface of Inkscape that looks like this. And now I'm going to do a brief introduction of the interface of Inkscape. So the part number 1 here, this is called the title bar, and it shows us the title of our document. And then the part number 2, this is the menu bar, and it contains the menus like File, Edit, View, Layer, and so on. But the one that we are going to use more frequently is only the File, because this is where we can save our file or create a new file, open a file, and so on. And next, the part number 3 here, this is called the toolbar, and it contains the tools that we can use for drawing. For example, you can see a rectangle here. You can click on it and you can use it to draw a rectangle. And then you can also see a circle here. You can click on it and you can use it to draw a circle. Okay. Next, the part number 4 here, this is called the edit bar or the option bar, and it contains the options for the tool that we are using. So for example, we click on the rectangle tool and the option bar will look like this. So it contains the options for a rectangle. And if we click on the circle, the edit bar will look like this. It contains the options for a circle. And the last part, the part number 5, this is called the workspace, and this is where we can draw. Okay, so this is the introduction to Inkscape. See you on the next tutorial.